occupying a total area of 143,000 square meters, employing 400 workers, and boasting an annual production level of $320 million. LS Electric's Cheonan plant is the company's main plant that manufactures automation systems and equipment like PLC, AC drive, servo, and HMI used in various industrial applications. The Cheonan plant built a smart factory system that is appropriate for a typical SME in South Korea and achieved production rate increase of 240%, assembly defect rate of 0%, customer claim rate improvement of 52%, and manufacturing cost savings of around 60%. The production line for the Cheonan model, which is the flagship AC drive equipment model of LS Electric, is an automated production line with a modular structure that provides connectivity links between production equipment. With this connectivity, the production line can overcome the inability of traditional production lines to make line changes and manufacture a diverse range of products in small quantity batches. The modular design production line built by connecting individual processes into a single line makes separating, integrating, and adding processes easy. This flexibility to change the production line allows the line to be reused, and it is more cost-saving than setting up a new line. The modular production line is a model of an environment-friendly smart factory. Using vision and laser technology, the production line performs quality inspections before and after each manufacturing process, and all data generated during the manufacturing process are collected and managed for the purpose of improving quality and productivity. The Smart Cell line is an automation model that could be applied to production lines requiring small batch productions of different products and production lines requiring collaboration between people and robots. The Smart Cell line supports collaboration between people and robots through its ability to distinguish precision processes from simple processes. Processes like compound application, PCB assembly, and fastening of screws are automated at the Cheonan plant, greatly facilitating collaborations with people. The Smart Workbench is an effective work system for factories wherein human error caused by aging and frequent shifts of manpower has become an issue. The location of the relevant part is highlighted by a lamp so that the right driver or screw for the fastening job in the job sequence is always selected. Any erroneous use of the tool by the worker is prevented using sensors. The automatically preset torque or angle that must be applied when fastening screws is programmed according to the job sequence. Defects are identified through inspections after the job has been completed. In the case of key parts, job mistakes are prevented by scanning the barcodes attached to the part. All information related to the Smart Workbench system, such as the parts used and processing time of each job, are stored as database. Such information is then used for tracking quality and data analysis, which could lead to productivity enhancements. The Cheonan plant has also been improving accuracy and reliability through the 4M change management implemented through a mobile device-based job instruction guide. When a design change occurs, the workers check the instructions sent by the supervisor using a tablet or a laptop PC. Managing the changes becomes easy because the history of changes is saved in the system as a digital record. All manufacturing process data produced by the Cheonan plant are collected and analyzed through the Edge Hub system, an edge computing solution developed to address the problem of managing factory data. It provides diverse field buses, IoT standard dedicated protocol, and user-defined protocol editor. With these support features, different equipment can be linked more readily and simply. Edge Hub provides a systematic data management environment through standardized data pre-processing function and a flexible data transformation, and enables predictive maintenance or lifecycle management through big data analysis. Even without the need to set up a development environment, if there is access to a web browser, remote engineering and monitoring can be carried out anytime at any location, thus greatly improving the convenience of maintenance and repair works. The Cheonan plant regularly backs up the operating programs of its production line equipment, such as the PLC and the AC drive, as well as the settings data. This backup system can always be loaded when emergency recoveries are needed. The backed up data can be monitored in real time through the dashboard. LS Electric's Cheonan plant will continue to provide high-quality automation products to customers through a highly reliable smart factory-based production process. LS Electric intends to go further to help South Korean SMEs improve their productivities by building the most advanced smart factory systems for them. LS Electric.